What did you think? After disorganizing everywhere to try my jeans trouser, now I have to reorganize them back again, fold them and keep it in one side. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? All right, let's start systemizing all these mini trousers. I do not even know how manage the enter. I was so lean like this. Now let me fold them back to their space. Then when the time comes, I will go and look for people to dash it to. Ha!